Papa, I said this when you found me.
Who's entry? I found me. Is it your concern? I found me. Some new year without checker. Now, would you know right now? I make some content and spot me. What do you about that? Let me ask you what it is. Some more than come over whatever. Some new year, when I would say, no one and no one and something. So come on, sir. I hope it. But some knew me. We never go here.
Papa,
come with something.
Papa, would you sit to that? What on the bar? Who bet you? What on the board in patches?
Hello, my customers. How are you? I hope you're enjoying yourself. What is this one? Who brought this man here? Hey, Oga. I hope you paid for all these drinks. I hope you paid for all these drinks.
What's it? Hey, if I'm away.
Bad woman! Madam! Who saw this man, please?
Madam, please. Madam, please.
Did you collect money from him? No? Have you forgotten who he is? If you don't collect my money, I am going to fire you and seize your salary. Yes! Don't you know he will pay?
Hey, Maula. I make him so what you are. Who feel a deal like a gamer? No, I've been over here. What's it? Now I have a contact.
Do you know what I spent on him in Nigeria?
I
It is my money he brought down to this place. I used it to buy a house and rent this place. My money is what I used to rent this place. What are you talking about?
Do you know how your husband found to get to Nigeria?
Do you know how he was taking care of in Nigeria?
Hey,
do you know?
You tell me?
You tell me?
You know this common sense.
What about that?
Madam.
Yes!
What's wrong with them?
What about that?
How dare you?
How dare you? If you don't pay for these drinks, if you don't pay for these drinks, I'll make sure I lock you up here. I'm going to lock you up here.
Me?
Yes! This is business I'm not familiar with.
I don't feel anything.
You don't feel anything?
I don't feel anything.
I know you won't feel anything because you're a crooked man. But you will see what will happen to you. And for you. And for you. No, come.
Listen to me. Me and my sister and selling family land and support your husband in Nigeria.
How much is the land? How much?
40 billion.
I gave you millions of naira.
You?
Yes! Oh. He bought a house and bought this place.
Come on, dog.
You, listen to me. Next time this man comes here to drink, make sure you collect all my money from him. If you don't collect the money, I am going to sack you and then seize your salary. And as for you, you still have this one to contend with. You collect my money from me, or you get fired and then still pay my money.
I don't come from Ghana.
I don't come from Nigeria.
I don't come from Nigeria.
I don't come from Nigeria.
Oh, come on down. Swear to him.
Oh, swam. Scallywag.
We are the house.
Wait. I will puncture you from head to toe.
I'm also scatching you and breaking you.
Where is the strength? You don't have strength. You are a drunk.
What is your
See your life.
Oh, who should see your life? You don't come from Ghana.
Please.
Oh, come on.
I don't miss you.
Kai.
This place is too dark. A bad music man to put music for me so that my customers will enjoy themselves. Fast!
Some fuck up, I said. Nobody did that.
Under old school. Kwadwo Nkansah. Umona. Patient. Umona. Patient.
Subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this channel.